Here's how Copilot can help you create an SOP in seconds. If you've ever needed to explain a process step by step, that's where an SOP, or standard operating procedure, can come in clutch. SOPs can be helpful for just about anything, from setting up equipment, onboarding a new client, or even sharing care instructions. For example, I'm heading out of town for a few days and want to leave a clear guide for the new pet sitter watching my dog. In Word, I'm going to ask Copilot, create a clear SOP for dog sitting. Include instructions for feeding schedule, walk routine, daily care, and emergency contact information. I feed my dog twice a day, at 7:30 a.m. and 6 p.m., and add a splash of warm water. We go on at least 2 walks a day around the neighborhood, usually after feeding. The leash is on a hook by the front door. Her favorite toys are her rope toy and squeaky pink ball, which are both in a basket in the living room by her bed. In seconds, Copilot creates a structured SOP doc with everything they need to know. I can update this template whenever needed, so now I can feel confident nothing will get missed while I'm away. If you found this helpful, follow along for more simple ways to work smarter with Copilot.